Happy New Year! 2020 is here and we couldn't be more excited for what's to come. In 2019, we saw some really incredible growth here at the Institute. We have a new building, we had new team members, and we had some really good new clients. In fact, some of our clients in 2019 had some incredible numbers, and I just wanted to share those with you real quick. We had two shops in Texas. One of them went from a loss of $51,000 to a net profit of $167,000, and the other increased their net profit by 550%. We have two shops in Virginia. One of them increased their net profit to $580,000. That's almost $600,000 net profit, and that's up from $133,000. The other one in Virginia, they broke their first million ever. And went from losing a loss of $66,000 to $172,000 in profit. They took their sales from $500,000 a year to $1.1 million. Then we have one in Idaho that increased their sales by 30% and added an additional $120,000 in net profit. We know our clients are going to continue to set goals and achieve goals in 2020, and we couldn't be more excited for our new clients who just started with us to see what they'll do this year. If you're ready to tackle your goals in 2020, the Institute would love to help. We want to be a resource, whether that's through our renowned consulting, any of the educational classes that we have, the smart groups that we run, or some of the conferences that we have coming up, like the marketing conference in January. We want to help. It's time for a better business, a better life, and a better industry. You can contact us by clicking the link down in the description below or visiting our website, i4abe.com. Here's to the new year from the Institute. May it be your best one yet.